Hello world, Kit here, another week, another dollar, as we are talking about finances. Here, let me go up to my face a little bit more. There we go. This month's theme is finances, and last week I gave you some quick Kit's tips. What a tongue twister. Some quick Kit's tips for how you can decrease your stress around finances. So there are 3 tips there. You can revert back to that video if you want to know what those were. But today we're doing a bit with Kit and just checking in to see how you guys are finding yourselves with finances right now. If you saw my video on the tips and you have been using those tips, check in with yourself now to see how you're doing. Just assess, have I been spending a little bit too much here, or no, I've been really good about saving and spending wisely and spending on my needs instead of my wants all the time. I myself have been spending a bit of money on wants lately, as it is the summer and everyone's out and about wanting to go to the beaches and take ferries and go out drinking and things of that nature. So I have been spending money on activities. But because I noticed that, I decided I need to rein it in a little bit. I am doing some errands today, such as groceries and things like that. So obviously necessities that I need to spend money on. But I did make a little note. You can't see it on my phone. I'm not really going to show too in detail anyway, since you don't need to know how much money I have. But I wrote a little note on my phone just breaking down how much money I currently have in the bank, in cash, and what to expect in the future in terms of certain payments that I have coming up, certain activities that I have coming up that I'm going to want to, invest some money in, and also paychecks coming up as well, so what money I should be expecting as a plus. So that's something that I found really helpful. Hopefully you guys found this helpful too. I'll check in with you guys again next week. Bye.